Hi, I'm Paul. This is Science That Sticks. So today I'm going to be starting a new hole on the fence. So where the post goes into the ground, it's concreted in. So I'm going to be using this bad boy. This is a Bosch electric hammer, and it's designed to go through masonry, concrete, so that you can basically make light work of it and then destroy it, pick it up, take it away. It's heavy, it's powerful, and it does the job. That's what I used last time. The blades go in the top. What did I use last time? I used one of those. Use this one. Actually, I'll try this one today. So it goes in, push down. That's it. And then all I do is I plug it in, move this around so that I'm able to get at the ground. Let's see what it's like. So around here, I've got to get rid of all of the debris. So I've got somewhere to work. That's no problem at all. There's still lots of roots. Most of it has been cleared over the last year or two using SBK, and that's a concoction that I've put together. That's as good as I can get. So I'll bring the brake around, start braking around here, around the front, and on that side of the post I've got a different problem because I've got a rose bush in the way. Well done me. So as you see, we've got a bit of topsoil before I get down to the concrete. So the best thing to use is the grafter, which is this. You can get round, clear a lot of the soil. The width of the grafter all the way around, so that we've got plenty of space to dig. The way to use this is not to go straight down, but to actually go at an angle so that you're cutting, you're sort of going through the concrete. So as you can see, this right here is where the post has been rotted. It's beneath the ground, it's where the concrete was, and of course over time water's got into it, it's got absorbed, and it started to rot from the inside. It's one of the reasons why these sorts of fences fall down or get wobbly, and the problem is always the post. That's why we're going to put a Godfather post here. It's going to go all the way up the post. It will be suspended, but the Godfather post will be keeping it intact. And yeah, it works very, very well. Very, very well. So it's the end of the day. That's a fairly deep hole. And there we go. That's, I would say, just about 1.5 feet. So that's not too bad. I still need to get down to 2 feet, which I shall do tomorrow.